Hello beautiful people, I hope you are doing really well. And in today's video, I'll be teaching you some of my favorite idioms and proverbs which I generally use. And I think you can also use them in your day-to-day language, which are going to be really amazing and they're going to help you to enhance your English language skills as well. So the first one is piece of cake. I'm sure आपने बहुत लोगों को बोलते हुए सुना होगा, अरे ये तो बहुत आसान है. Arey, this is so simple. So that is the time you can always say, or they can also say, oh, it's a piece of cake. Or maybe if you're asking, is it a piece of cake for you? That means, is it easy for you? Or maybe you can also say, it's a cake walk for me to make, to make sandwiches for people. So that is how you can use this particular word. And the second one is stone's throw. आपने बहुत बार लोगों को बोलते हुए सुना भी होगा, आप खुद भी बोलते होगे, अरे वो तो मेरे बहुत पास रहता है, वो तो मेरे घर के बहुत नजदीक रहता है. So then again you can say he lives at stone's throw distance from my house. The other one, or maybe the third one, is Herculean task. It means difficult task. अब जैसे कि बहुत लोग बोलते हैं, अरे ये बहुत मुश्किल है, मुझसे नहीं होगा, I cannot do it, it's very difficult. So that is the time you can say it's a Herculean task, I cannot really do it. So that is how you can use this one particular phrase. The other one is cut corners. अब जैसे कि हम खुद भी बहुत बार बोलते हैं कि I'm cutting corners, मतलब मैं पैसे बचा रहा हूँ वो फ़ोन खरीदने के लिए, या मैं पैसे बचा रहा हूँ गाड़ी खरीदने के लिए. हम कैसे बोल सकते हैं, I'm cutting corners, or maybe I'm cutting corners to buy phone for myself. I'm cutting corners to buy car for my father. So that is how you can use this thing. And then start from scratch. अब जैसे कि we have seen lot of people saying कि मैंने बिल्कुल शुरुआत से शुरू करा था, या मैंने बिल्कुल starting से start किया था, and I have built up this empire. So you can use this word particularly in speaking, or maybe you can use this particular phrase and you can say like this, he started everything from scratch and he has done wonders in his life. So this is the way you can always improve your English language skills. And the other one, which is also one of my favorite, is leave no stone unturned. That means कि वो कोई भी मौका, कुछ भी chance नहीं खो रहे हैं उस चीज को पाने के लिए, doing something. जैसे कि I can say there are a lot of students who are leaving no stone unturned to get very good bands in their IELTS English language test. Or maybe we can say celebrities are leaving no stone unturned to entertain their viewers. So that is the way you can speak and you can make sure that you get really good bands in your IELTS. And trust me, if you're going to use these particular phrases in your speaking, you're going to definitely improve, you're going to get better, and might be you'll get better score as well if used in a correct manner. Because there are many times I have seen students, and even I have seen a lot of people using them in not a very good way. So if you know the correct way of using, trust me, you can include them in your English language, you can use on daily basis, and you will definitely improve and you will definitely score really well. Thank you so much. That's all for today. Toodles.